In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install SketchUp Pro 2021, even in 2026, when finding older versions can be a little tricky. I'll also show you the safest way to launch it, activate it, and fix a few common issues if the installer or the app gives you trouble. So if you want to get SketchUp Pro 2021 installed quickly and avoid the usual errors, keep watching. And before we begin, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you need to know is that Trimble usually only shows the current version and the two previous versions on the main download page. That means SketchUp 2021 may not always appear in the normal download list. But don't worry, you can still get it through the official direct links provided by Trimble. If you're using a laptop or desktop, open your web browser and carefully copy and paste the correct download link into the address bar. For Windows, use the SketchUp Pro 2021.exe link. For macOS, use the SketchUp Pro 2021.dmg link. Make sure you type the link exactly as provided, because one small mistake can prevent the file from downloading correctly. If the link opens in your browser but doesn't automatically start downloading, just right-click the link and choose Save Link As. That usually forces the download to begin properly. Once the installer file finishes downloading, open your Downloads folder and look for the SketchUp Pro 2021 installer. On Windows, the file is usually named something like SketchUp Pro-2021-0.exe. Before you double-click it, I recommend right-clicking the file and choosing Run as Administrator. This is an important step because it helps prevent permission problems and common installation errors like missing DLL messages. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the app to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. After that, the installer may start checking for required components. In some cases, it will prompt you to install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. If that appears, click Install and let it finish. These components are needed for SketchUp to run properly, so don't skip this step. Now the installer will guide you through the rest of the setup. Just follow the on-screen prompts, accept the license terms if asked, and continue through each step until the installation is complete. Depending on your computer, this may take a few minutes. When it finishes, click Finish. After installation, you should see shortcuts for SketchUp, Layout, and Style Builder on your desktop or in your Start menu. If you're installing on macOS, the process is similar, but instead of an exe file, you'll open the DMG installer. Double-click the DMG, drag SketchUp into your Applications folder, and then launch it from there. On a Mac, you may also need to approve the app in your security settings if macOS blocks it the first time. If that happens, go to System Settings, then Privacy and Security, and allow the app to open. Now let's talk about activation, because this is where a lot of users get confused. If you have a classic license and your serial number starts with V, you'll need to use the Add License option inside SketchUp and enter your license details there. If you have a subscription, sign in with your Trimble ID instead. But keep in mind that a SketchUp Go subscription does not authorize the full 2021 desktop version, so if you only have Go, the desktop app may not unlock the way you expect. If SketchUp 2021 opens but crashes right away, that usually means there's a compatibility issue with newer drivers or newer versions of Windows. Since this version was not designed for the latest 2026 graphics updates, you may need to run it in compatibility mode. To do that, right-click the SketchUp shortcut, choose Properties, then go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in Compatibility Mode for Windows 10, apply the change, and launch the app again. This simple fix solves a lot of startup problems, especially on newer Windows 11 systems. If the program still behaves strangely, make sure your graphics drivers are updated, restart your computer, and try again. Also, if the installer doesn't finish correctly the first time, delete the partial install, reboot, and run the installer again as administrator. So to recap, the full process is: get the official 2021 installer link, download the correct file for your system, run the installer with admin rights, install any required Visual C++ components, complete the setup, and then activate SketchUp with either your classic license or Trimble ID. If needed, use compatibility mode to fix startup problems. I hope this tutorial made it easy to download and install SketchUp Pro 2021. If it did, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.